So we'll now go over chapter 9 discussion worksheets, question 6. It's a long answer. Instead of doing step by step, I think some people get stuck on how to read the question. So I only write the useful information on the board. It's too long, right? Okay, so you've been given a compound, I don't know, but whatever. Once you have the formula, what's the number one thing you can do? We've not started to do anything yet. This is something like, even not chapter 9, you should still do this. With the formula, what's the given information from the formula?
We have the 0.708 grams.
Not that yet, but yeah, that's the next sentence. But even just with the formula, you have molar mass, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so this one, even, trust me, if you have that formula, just do molar mass on somewhere of your test. It will be helpful. Okay, so I'll do step 1, molar mass. See, if molar mass is not useful, we're not going to give you the formula. We'll just tell you the name, right? Okay, molar mass. Do I need to review on this, or I'll just go ahead to calculate that? Are we good? Okay. There are some digitals I forgot, but I know that. So I think you'll get 100 something.
Yes, I think
160?
Yeah.
160.
160. So yeah, that's great.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do I need to review on how to do molar mass? Good. Okay. So I'll say that's step 1. Okay. Hello. We'll go over a worksheet question. Okay. Chapter 9, question 6. Okay. I have not even finished reading my question, but this is already providing useful information. Okay. Heat combustion, blah, 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 kcal per mole. I'll just write them here. Now, the second question tells me I'm going to burn whatever grams. Here is a gram, and here is the grams per mole. Using what you have so far, what's the next step? Okay. Exactly. Okay, step 2. I've not even finished reading my question, but this is already telling me a bunch of information. Okay, moles. So I'll plug whatever I have from the previous. That's yeah, grams. Okay. Per 1 mole. Yeah, somebody do me a favor and tell me the mole.
It was 0.007069.
0.007080.
0.007. No, that's the gram divided by that. Divide.
I did, it was...
Because you divide by 100, so it's, yes.
Okay. Oh, I see. Yeah, almost 100. Okay, agree.
.007080.
Zero. Okay, 708 more. Yeah, just put it somewhere. You will use it. Trust me. Are we good? Good with these 2 steps so far? Okay. We'll read the next part. Okay. 0.70 grams of blah, blah, blah undergoes complete combustion in bomb calorimeter. Just a side review, what's the difference between coffee cup calorimeter and the bomb calorimeter?
Different formulas, maybe?
Is the coffee cup include water?
Okay, this has nothing to do with this question, but I think it will be useful since you're here for review. Okay, coffee cup. You have constant pressure, right? Because you did this in air, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, bomb. What you have? Bomb, didn't you put them in a container and make it explode, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you have constant volume. These 2 are different 2 scenarios. Okay, that was on one of my lecture notes, if you're not sure on yours, but
No, I didn't.
okay, so that's how we derive delta H if you still remember, one of my notes, right? So coffee cup, because your pressure, which means your delta P is 0, there are different derivations from that. Bomb colorimeter, because your delta V is 0, there are different scenario of that, okay? Since you are here for review, let me ask another. If you're doing reactions, which scenario are you applying to? Just like a normal reactions in life, like in lab. If you do, I'll ask the reactions, whatever. That will be constant pressure because you do them just like under the airs, right? Unless we tell you we're going to do reactions in a closed container, whatever. Unless specified than that, all of your, let's say, doing reactions, you should apply this coffee cup criteria, which is there no change of pressure. Just like room.
How do we know?
How do we know? We're not going to write this. This is just like unless specified, using the standard temperature pressure.
Always use bomb unless it's specified for coffee cup.
No, always use a coffee cup unless it's bomb. So this one is set bomb. That's why I want to point this one out. This one is set bomb, which you should know the delta V is 0 in this case. But might not be useful for this one, but I just saw this. I think it's good to point it out. Okay, unless specified, delta P is 0 because we do everything under the room pressure. Are we good?
So the pressure is always the same.
Yeah, change of pressure is 0. Just like the moment you dump whatever flask into the second flask, it's not going to change the pressure overly. Unless we said this is a bomb colorimeter, which we put them in a sealed container and let it burn. That's then because we seal them, the change of volume is 0, not the pressure. Of course, the pressure is going to change.
So that's standard for doing these types of coffee.
Yes. Are we good? Just make sure that this is not going